24-hour total shutdown imposed by Jiribam District Hospital Monitoring Committee, Jiribam, Rongmei Naga Lupao Manipur, All Manipur Bengali Students Union, All Jiribam Pangal Women Welfare Association, along with various Jiribam CSOs and Merapaibis from yesterday midnight till midnight today has severely affected the daily lives of people in Jiribam District. Various establishments and institutions such as shops, schools and workplaces remained closed across Jiribam district, and very few people were seen at the road, and passenger vehicles also stopped their service. However, District Police Jiribam and CRPF security personnel were deployed across the district to prevent any untoward incident from happening. Addressing the 24-hour total shutdown, District Hospital Monitoring Committee Executive Member P.H. Montessori highlighted that the shutdown was imposed as a part of their ongoing demand to provide necessary infrastructure and items and to send qualified Chief Medical Officer and Master of Surgery to Jiribam Hospital. She added that they will stage such protests in the future until the state government meets their demand.